Cosmos Central Image Utility is a tool that will resize and upload product images to your e-commerce website manually or automatically. In this tutorial, we'll go over download, installation, and configuration of the software. You may need to download the Image Utility installer through the Cosmos Central Support Center if you don't already have it. Once the download is complete, double-click on this file name and follow the step-by-step instructions to finish the installation. Enter your account name for license evaluation. This information can be found under Account, Notes, or your package profile under Products, P3 Integration Support. A common mistake is copying the space before the username, which will give an error message. The image utility will open once you pass the license evaluation. The next step is to choose the file folder where you stored the source image files that you intend to resize and upload by clicking on the Browse button next to the source folder. Locate the files and choose Open. The image utility will automatically create a destination folder within the same vicinity as the original folder. Next, select the image size by checking either large images or thumbnails or both. If you don't modify these entries, the default value will be taken. Standard size is 450 to 550. Contact your designer for image sizes. To change an image size, you must rename the image or upload a new image and save it. A common problem is needing admin permission to make changes. To fix this, minimize Image Utility, find the icon and right-click on it, and then choose Run as Administrator. Adjust the slide bar to modify the image quality, and then press the Save button to save the image configuration, and click the Connection Setup tab. Find the Notify URL in Support Center under Account, Notes. You don't need to fill out the entries in the FTP configuration panel, which will be updated automatically once you successfully connect to the integration system later. However, please keep the FTP radio button checked. Select how often you want new images to be uploaded automatically to the web by adjusting the scan interval at the bottom. Press the Save button to save this configuration before clicking the Operation tab. Press Start Process for manual operation. This window will appear, which shows the image utility status. This message means that there are no new image files to upload. Press Stop Process to stop the manual process session. Press Schedule On/Off to turn the scheduler on or off. For the initial upload, manual process is preferred. Press Export Log only when you are asked during system tech support sessions. Here's what our website looks like before using the image utility. Notice how there are no images uploaded. You will need to wait for the web integrator, your cloud-based client app, or your personalized POS client app to complete its data upload before running the image utility. This needs to be done so the images can be mapped to the existing web items. Now run the image utility manually by clicking the Start Process button. You'll see the progress in the status window. Our images are now uploaded to the site. For troubleshooting help, visit the Cosmos Central Wiki at the address below. If your images still aren't uploading, try running the process manually until there are no images left to process. This will update the images. Here's your first troubleshooting tip. Check the file type. We only support certain files like JPEGs and GIFs. TIFFs are not supported. Check the image name. Hyphens or underscores are okay, but please don't use spaces. To avoid manually reattaching images to items in RMS every time an item changes, make sure that the new image you are placing in the Pictures folder has the same encoding and aspect ratio as the image that was first assigned to the item. If you have any questions or need assistance, please call us at 503-977-0171.